Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today Microsoft has released the latest 24H2 update and you can easily update to it using the Windows update. So simply go to settings, Windows update, and from here click on check for update. As it comes today, it will slowly be available to every PC, but for me the update isn't showing here right now. So if you can't be able to update from here, then simply visit this page from Microsoft and you can download and can use the ISO of Windows 11 24H2 or media creation tool if you want to clean install Windows 11 24H2 by creating a bootable USB, or if you want to update to Windows 11 24H2 directly, then you can simply download this Windows 11 installation assistant tool from here. So download and open this tool, then simply click on the installer button, and now you can see it's downloading the latest version of Windows in step 1. So just wait for the download to complete. After the download completes, you will see this verifying download in step 2, and finally the installation will start in the step 3, which can take a longer time, so wait for it to complete. After it's complete, you have to restart your PC, so make sure to save and close all the windows and click on this restart now button. After restart, you have to wait more here, wait for it to complete to 100%. After it's complete, you can see these messages on the screen after login. And now we successfully updated to Windows 11 24H2. You can see here that we got the new icon for Task Manager. Yeah, only a new icon for Task Manager. As you can see in the About section in settings, it's a 24H2 version of Windows 11. And we got too many new features like more options in battery saving. Also here we can now swipe down and have some new options here. Also in File Explorer, you can see here under the labels we got names rename like cut, copy, paste and rename. Also we have more options in compress and additional options here, and many more new features. I will put the link in the description so you can find all the details about Windows 11 24H2 from there. So this is how you can update to the latest version of Windows 11 24H2. If you still have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.